Hi everybody, if you're like me, you have pets. We've got Izzy here, we've got Madison. Come here, Madison, come on. Yeah, you have dogs. And boy, with dogs, it can certainly take a toll on your home, including your screen door. This is where my screen used to be in the door. That is until Madison loves to scratch on the back door and basically scratched it out. So it's a really easy fix. I'm gonna show you how to do it. Anything you do on your screen door also works for your screens on your windows, so take a look. First step, remove the screen door. You will need a Phillips screwdriver to loosen the adjustment screws so the door can come out easily. Now use a regular screwdriver to push the rollers up from the bottom to remove the door. Also, unscrew and remove the door latch. Now you can use a pick or a small screwdriver to pull out the old spline and remove the screen. In my case, as you saw, the screen's already gone. The spline is the narrow rubber tubing that locks the screen into a groove around the old frame. You will need to buy a new spline at the home improvement store that matches your current spline. Next, get a spline installation tool. You will also need a screen. Make sure you measure so you'll have an extra couple of inches that overlap the door frame. Now, measure your new spline and cut it to fit the same length that fits the frame. Put the new screen over the door frame. Make sure it overlaps and lays flat to the outside edge of the frame. I wrapped it around the bottom of the door so it was flat and tight on top. It's time now to set your screen. Next, put the spline in the groove and use the roller over the spline to press it into the groove. Make sure your screen stays tight and flat. Beginning at one corner, use a roller on the spline installation tool to press the screen into the groove. Make sure your screen stays tight and flat. Follow this all the way around the door. After your spline is set, use an X-Acto knife to cut the screen right at the edge of the spline. Reattach your door latch. Now you can put your sliding door back in. Push the rollers up so it fits in, and then tighten the adjustment screws. Now you have a brand new screen for your door. Missed a step? Go to 9news.com/fixthis.